This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. It includes heated seats, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and much more. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.